it's me, Marcus, again. I am back. What is that sound right in the middle of my presentation? Anyway, the best looking Filipino realtor in the Pacific Northwest is back. Yes, I got a plane flying over me. You know why? Because this seems to be the talk of the town. Tesla is moving into Marysville, Washington. You know, a block away that direction is the biggest Amazon warehouse building facility that was built. And I do believe not just in Washington, but the whole western United States. That thing is huge. Now, less than a mile away, which is where I'm at, word came out that Tesla just leased a 245,000 square foot building. And this is it. Okay? This building is being run by North Point subsidiary. We initially thought that it was be another third party affiliated with Amazon. But woe behold, it's not. It's Tesla. What's going to happen is the plan is to ship all these Tesla parts to here in Washington, get it assembled prior to shipping out to their main plant in Texas for assembly on the frame, the batteries, etc., etc. Now, there are even talks that this is not the end of it. This is one of the 9 buildings that they are planning to occupy. Now, I don't see any other buildings that are being built. But knowing that this building was built in less than a month, you tell me how long they're going to build 9 buildings. Now, those 40,000 jobs that they are envisioning to be moving up here, would that be just for the admin section of this building? Or I don't know. We don't know yet. It's a lot of stuff we don't know. But what we do know is that Marysville, Washington is booming. I don't know how we're going to move all these people up here. I'm a real estate agent, so if you know anybody that wants to move out, let me know so that I could market their home, because a lot of people are already asking. Marysville, Lake Stevens, Everett, Arlington, Stanwood, I already said Lake Stevens. So this whole section of Snohomish County is gonna be packed. All right. By the way, back down there, about another mile and a half away is the Navy Exchange and Commissary. I was just there just 30 minutes ago. So again, retired military or active duty military that are getting stationed here, let me know. All right. Because, and if you're getting out of the service, whether you're active duty getting out or retired or retiring, this is a splendid place to be working with. I looked at their websites and actually what they have available. I just got my son in Boeing, and it is very extensive. So they're hiring 40,000 jobs, aside from a few more thousand jobs in Boeing, aside from 5 Navy bases here, shipyards, etc., etc. You tell me. All right. So to the men and women out there that are currently deployed, you know I love you guys. All right. So you guys stay safe. Come on home, my friends. Whether I serve with them or not, it doesn't matter. You guys, you be careful out there. Enjoy your Memorial Day tomorrow with your family and friends. And to those that are serving that are not home, be home. Be safe. Your friends and your family are waiting. Post.